Hey, everybody, this is Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Want to take a look at Boot Barn Holdings. This is ticker BOOT. Now, Boot Barn has had some pretty positive earnings reports over the last year. You can see down here, we have 4 green earnings reports in a row, and they haven't been perfect. We've had some downside surprises, but the market, for the most part, has actually held up really well and supported Boot Barn over the last few quarters with some progressively higher lows. In the last couple of days here, we have this nice short base of consolidation. And so we have some clear resistance on this chart right there, right around 91.60. And again, if I zoom out, we can see a bit of a triangle pattern forming. So we're right near resistance. We're giving progressively higher lows. And I want to see if Boot Barn can break above 91.60 and do it on volume and potentially give you a test of some of the previous highs from back here in August, maybe up around 105. So that would be a potential swing target on a breakout here above 91.60 on Boot Barn. And if it can do that, hypothetically, this could start printing a bit of a channel pattern. If I delete this bar and then we draw some lines like this, you could definitely see a potential channel pattern developing here with Boot Barn, though that remains to be seen. We'll have to see if it can, in fact, get up to that $100 psychological resistance zone. Now, Boot Barn doesn't have earnings again until May, so you have a bit of a runway as long as the market can hold up strong here. So that's just one of many ideas that we're looking at tonight at StockMarketMentor.com. I highly recommend checking it out, becoming a member, and taking a trial. So I hope that video is helpful, and I'll catch you next time.